folks, it's me again. Before you do anything, click like, subscribe, all that crap that every video on YouTube tells you to do. Don't forget, watch the whole video. Helps me watch time. Even if you play it on your wall in your garage, help me out. This is the weekly What's New. I haven't done it in a while because my computer fritzed out on me and I couldn't upload the videos. So, and I've been so busy just camping and it's summer. There's no pandemic, so I'm not stuck anywhere doing these videos. What's new? Oh, a lot of things. I'm standing up because there's a pile of parts on my chair. Usually sit down, do the weekly What's New. What's new? I got stuff back from Powder Coat. I sent more stuff to go get powder coated, and I'm dropping off even more stuff. So there will be a bike being put back together soon. We'll do some work on a couple of racks. I still got videos popping up just like usual. I try to put a weekly What's New on a Monday. I try to do a Tooly Tuesday video, but I haven't done it in a while because I don't really got any tools to review. I've been trying to do if you go on my shorts, I made this thing called Guess That Tool. I don't know. I'm probably not the only one. I just show a little bit. I haven't done any of those. It's kind of fun. I got flagged for having the wrong music, the wrong country or some crap. What else? Summer's here. I've been working on the house still. I got a few things from Amazon or eBay in. I got some more parts in. I finally got a cover for that stupid seat right here. The cover is in. Now I can fix the seat pan. I gotta fix one little corner and a little tiny, I don't know what it's called, little pointy thing that sticks out, holds the seat cover. I don't know how it's gonna work though, because so I gotta find the right size metal. I might just put a bigger piece of metal, and I was thinking so I could put staples on it, of maybe putting a big thick, maybe gluing or screwing on a nice thick piece of fiberglass or some kind of plastic that's heavy plastic, putting it over so I can staple it on. Because I don't know, I'm gonna screw it up. And when you wait this long for a seat cover, got nice foam. Seat cover looks great. I'll show you that in another video, because this is just the weekly What's New. I've got a bunch of tool reviews. I got a bunch of tools. I've been taking apart stuff. I sent the frame out for the ADC 70. I should have enough parts to get it rolling. I'm not sure. I think I gotta I still gotta get a few things powder coated. I did forget, one thing I did forget to do is take apart at least 2 sets of front forks and sand them down and get the front fork. I don't even know what it's called. The front fork thing. Get it powder coated gray, because oh my god, I'm in heaven with powder coating. I opened up one. I'm like, oh. So I'm gonna be fixing a rear rack, because I sent one to be powder coated. Or actually, I sent them to be sandblasted. I'm gonna sand it all down, some of the rough stuff. I gotta tap out 3 holes, tack weld 1 hole and rethread it, and I'm sending that to be powder coated. When I get that back, I'm gonna switch it on the other bike. I think I have enough pieces powder coated to put together the entire rear 86 swing arm. So I'm like, do I fix this bike, or do I start putting that one together? I don't know. I have all the pieces. I have the top triple. I have the triple tree. It's powder coated. I have the top plate. I have all the bolts. I have all the, what do you call it? Every single thing. I bought all the brand new bolts. The thing, like I said, I have to. I want to do what is it? The forks. So I might tell them to do the forks and put a rush on that and redo a complete set of forks. There's literally 3 bikes getting powder coated. All little pieces. I sent all the tail light assemblies, all kinds of. There's not much. There's only a rear rack, the metal plates in the tail light, the front rack. There's the headlight cage, the little metal thing inside the front rack, the triple tree, the metal piece for the triple tree, and the what do you call it? The foot pegs for the brake, the frame, and the what do you call it? Skid guard the foot guard if you have one. There's not much else, and if you want, plus you can get the front forks powder coated. I don't know if I have period correct rims for it, so I might get the rims done last and just slap them on there. So and there's what, 3 rims. So it's not a lot of pieces, but when you have like multiple, like I have, I think 3 swing arms and 1 extra one. But what I'm doing is I'm powder coating it all. And if you're wondering why, because after I'm done, I'm gonna sell off whatever the hell I don't need. And if I'm gonna powder coat it, they give me a cheap price on it in bulk, so I might as well get. I have to get the 85 swing arm out, and I also realize next month I need to buy some rubber. I can't put the swing arm together because I need to buy some rubber seals, the little round seals. And I got all the bearings. I need the seals to put it back together, and I got to clean up the rear differential. So I think I'm missing the spring. There's also a timing chain, valve springs, and something else. And I don't know if I'm going to get the timing chain, the timing on the other bike probably done. I might do that, get the timing, because it's making a little clacking noise. So I'm going to need at least 3 timing chains. Thankfully, I have a donor motor over there on the floor. I'm going to attempt on my bench. I think I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do is I'm trying to make a, I'm going to try to make a mount for it just for the hell of it. I'm going to use that engine. It needs a new top end. I'm going to use that engine and see if I can take it apart and put it back together. Because at least if I screw that up, I won't screw that one up, or the other one up. Get somebody else to it. So if I can take the side cover off, take the thing off, and get it back together and practice. I'd rather practice and learn how to do it. And so anyway, with that said, I will get the shadow out of my face, and I'll continue making some videos for tonight, so I can upload at least for the next 2 more weeks. This one's gonna, right now the weekly What New was caught up because I forgot the last 2 weeks. So this weekly What New, it was recorded like 3 days. It's not, we're not a month off now, because usually every time I walk in I do What's New, and it makes them smaller. So this is kind of a big one. I'm all excited because I got seat covers and parts and bolts, and somebody gave me a free tool, and I got a pile of parts here, and it's just like a year of work plan. It's all just coming together. Yeah. So stay tuned, and I'm having fun. You don't like my channel? Say what, but whatever. I'm having fun. So and if you're my, what is it, 1,800 and I think 27 subscriber, my latest subscriber, if you're here, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. You're all awesome. Toodles.